Hi, welcome back to another great episode of Burbex with me, Brin.
Wow, look at this light bulb that I just found. It's fucking massive.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard with Triad Travelogues. I'm out in Songjiang, China with Brin from Burbex, and we're gonna do some urban exploration. Boom!
Nicely done.
Oh shit, dude, look, it's a slinky. It's a slinky. Slinkies were originally not toys, did you know that? Slinkies were originally the byproduct of some kind of other manufacturing process, I think. Because have you ever seen a slinky in China? So in the United States, when you do this kind of thing, when you explore these properties, if you're in a place that is relatively well known, you always meet other people that are exploring. You always meet other explorers. It says Taxico gas station. In China, you never meet other people ever. You never meet other people exploring. These places are always empty. The only person you might encounter in one of these buildings is a guard. If you were the kind of adventurous person that didn't really care much about your hygiene and your health and just life in general, and you could come here and you could live here and be kind of like what was the little creature from Lord of the Rings?
Golem.
What buttons first?
Yeah, you could be like him, you know, just like live down here and just rot away, like, you know? Every single clock in China looks exactly the same. You noticed that?
Yeah.
Every clock is this exact clock.
And it always stops at 3:10.
Dude. Okay. I feel like those. You remember the part in E.T. at the very end?
Yeah.
When all the dudes in the masks come out and they've got all this tent set up? That's what I feel like right now.
Found this gigantic light as well. Like this would be on top of a fire truck. What was that?
Okay.
What is it?
It's another siren or a light, but it doesn't have any bulbs in it.
Mm.
I am gonna be a Chinese fireman today. Oh. Do I look okay? I kind of feel like Batman.
You might look more like kind of a bishop or something. A gimpy bishop.
You know, I was saying we could do a horror movie here. This could be like the crazy person comes here, he finds this, and he's like, this is perfect. This is the mask I'm gonna wear, you know?
This is my serial killer.
Yeah,
outfit.
and it's like a slasher movie where he just runs around in a Chinese fireman suit, like just killing people.
Yeah, but you know, like people get nostalgic about this shit. So this sewing machine says flying man. Fei Ren Pai. That literally means flying man brand.
Here. Holy shit, there's a keyboard in here. Whoa, there's piano. Look, there's a keyboard back
Oh man.
Look, there's a keyboard.
There's all kinds of instruments in here.
Oh, I want instruments.
This room is just filled with musical instruments.
Yeah. Wow, that thing is so old. There's no way that it's salvageable. This thing.
What's underneath this blanket? Oh, there's like a really old drum. Look at that. Oh, there's another keyboard down there.
Yeah, I want the keyboard. Why is old shit so heavy?
Check this out, though. All the keys on this accordion are fucked.
It's a Casio.
Oh, shit. Lens.
What is it?
I don't know. It's like Baijiu with some weird... Can you take the lid off it? Or can I get the camera to go down there? What is that stuff? Is that chestnuts?
Doesn't smell very good.
Old machines. Holy... fucking gold mine.
What is this?
Look at it. It's fucking...
Wait, what is
Look at this TV.
What are these though?
VCDs.
Why?
Unless they are reel to reel. Fuck, look at this TV. It must be like... Oh, that's beautiful. What else is in here?
CDs.
Yeah.
This is like a library where people, like a media library.
Yeah, yeah. This is amazing.
Yeah, I've never seen this one.
Oh, is that the film The Faculty? I think I watched that last night. I want like VHS. Yeah, this is
Is that a horror film?
yeah, it's directed by Robert Rodriguez.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, look, there are reel-to-reels here.
Shit, man, take it. Those.
It's audio.
Yeah. Is there a way to play audio?
I have no way of playing it.
But like people collect that. Fucking Chairman Mao, man.
Oh my god. Oh, wow.
How did we miss that? And Chairman Mao on this massive TV.
Well, that's great. I'm gonna get a picture of that.
Oh fuck! Check this TV out.
Wait. It's super creepy because he's on top of the TV. I don't know. It's like a...
What's it made from? Is it plaster or polystyrene? Look, and check this TV out here. That's like a proper 1950s TV.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you turn it over?
I think these are probably pretty heavy. You want me to turn it on its back?
Well, just turn it so it's the right way up.
Wow, that's really heavy.
Oh, that's me.
This is old. This is very old vinyl. Look how thick it is.
Yeah. Do you have a vinyl player?
I'm gonna take this.
Take them all, dude.
I don't want to think of what am I gonna do with them. This is just like a...
I don't know. Do you have a vinyl player?
I have one, but not in China.
Oh. Get this thing open.
Oh, you got it.
Can you get the... How do you get it open? It's stuck.
Oh, I got it.
You got it? Oh. Fuck. It's an old turntable.
It is an old turntable.
Oh, and that's the record. The records you were looking at are the ones that go on it. Fuck, do you think that thing still works?
I have no idea.
It's got a plug on it. Yeah, Chinese people love this kind of kitschy stuff these days, don't they? If it's all cleaned up and it
You
worked.
can sell this in the States, too.
Yeah, yeah.
Especially because it's from China.
Yeah.
With all the Chinese records. I'm not carrying that anywhere.
Look, and you can see where all the mice have been through here as well, just like
Yeah.
wrecking shit. Fuck, this place is
And
incredible.
so many... Look at all the VCDs.
The VCDs, yeah. You didn't have VCDs in the States, did you?
Yeah. They just weren't very popular.
Can you hear anything?
No.
And look at the inside of this TV as well, like how it's got all these
Oh, wow.
transistor tubes in it. That's a really old TV. I've never seen one that old before.
Black and white pictures, really old.
Oh, cool. If it's like military pictures, people collect like old Chinese military pictures.
There's nothing in it. Just a strap. It's a really ugly suitcase. The interior is like hot pink. There's more VCDs.
I wonder what year these were taken. Wow, shit, look at this one. These are really old. I can't even guess what year it is. It's quite artistic though. No way!
Huh?
Look at this photo. Military photos are actually worth money on eBay. Shuangshen Fen. That's baby powder, talcum powder. Look at this old operator's console. Wow, it's so beautiful. But there's no phone set on it, is there? There would have been a headset somewhere, right? 完好. That means like finished good. Perfectly good.